Iliopsoas hip flexor, really important area with so many of us because we do so much sitting. Those muscles become really tight just because our legs, they are bent, flexed all the time. So to stretch that, what we're going to do is the psoas, iliopsoas comes from our lumbar spine, lower back. It inserts into our femur. So essentially we want to separate the origin, which is here, from the insertion, which is here. Best way to do that, if I'm doing my right hip flexor, right psoas first, is I want my left leg going forward. Hopefully you can see this. My knee is bent, my left leg or right leg is straight out, and I'm going to go forward. So this knee bends, my left knee bends, my right side stays straight. I'm keeping my lower back straight, upright. That's important. If you're flexing forward a lot with your lower back, that can injure it. So we want to keep this nice and upright, and I'm going forward and I feel it stretching through here. So basically from the side, what that looks like exactly is like this. So this knee is bent, this leg is relatively straight. My whole pelvis, it is translating forward while this stays relatively straight with my lower back. So again, from this side, it looks like this. I'm here, and this leg bends, this leg stays straight, and I'm going forward like this, and I can really feel it stretching through here. You want to hold that about 10 seconds or so. Then we're going to switch sides, same thing. Now I'm stretching my left hip flexor here. This knee is bent, this leg is straight relatively. I'm going to go forward like this, and I can really feel it stretching here. If you have balance issues, hold on to a wall or onto a chair, just like this, and I'm leaning forward and I can feel it. You should feel it pulling basically through here. So again, my lower back lumbar spine stays upright straight. My whole pelvis is moving forward. This bends, this stays relatively straight. Do that about 10 seconds, about 2 or 3 times each. If there's any questions you have about any of these exercises, please feel free to ask in the comments section. If there's anybody you think would benefit from these exercises, please feel free to share this video with them. Have a great day.